Okay. So here's the deal. 3 o'clock in the morning. I had like the worst cold of my life. I don't know where Kelly and Kristen are. Or, no. Anyway. Sorry. Not even kidding. Okay. So that's. Sorry. Okay. That's Kristen. Over there. In the bed. Here's me. Sneezing my ass off because I have the worst cold ever. But thank God that we only have, let's see, 2 days left. So before I sneeze any more into this camera, I'm gonna get off and I'm gonna say, I hope to God my sister and Katie come back a little more healthier than me. Weird. Yeah. Is this weird? And is this weird? I'm like sneezing in the camera because I'm not really sure. Yeah. I think it's officially weird. I have no idea my sister is or the fact that I've been sneezing your camera for like 10 minutes, but it's actually my camera, so just right there. So, I'm sick. And sick really bad. So, I'm not going to the Aborigines tomorrow because they can suck it. And I could care. I care less about the stupid boomerangs. But I can't even breathe through my friggin' nose. See that? I can't breathe. I can't breathe through my nose. That's a sneeze. I have a little cute nose and I can't even breathe through it. It's gross. I'm gonna go.